Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Goes to 11 Vice Squad. My name is Bryce Miller, and I'm your Sunday host. After you've watched this clip, please head over to our awesome online stores at fishingandoutdoors.ca or fishingandoutdoors.net and go to our sponsors' products and much more. Today at the Vice, we're going to show you how to tie a Clouser Minnow. So instead of just starting our thread today, we have a really slippery thread. So we're going to actually start with a little bit of super glue on the hook shank. That way it holds down a little better. We're going to take our bodkin and spread that out a little bit. Wipe that off. And now we're going to start the thread. We're going to stop right about there. And as you can see, I actually got a little bit far. That's okay. We're just going to wipe it up. Snip that off the end. Thread back up. We're going to tie in a pair of lead eyes. These are lead dumbbell eyes, size medium in color pearl, I believe. Super heavy. And we're going to tie them on the top of this hook. Something about Clouser Minnows, they tend to be inverted. No, they're always inverted, I should say, actually. So we tie these lead eyes on the top, and this fly will go in the water with the hook tip up, which allows it to sit on the bottom and not get snagged, or flow along the bottom and not get snagged. Really cool, and it also gives it a kind of a jigged look in the water. Really cool about it. Now we got our thread back to where we started it out. We're going to tie in some white bucktail. You can do any kind of color combination you want with this fly. We're just going to do a white and black today. But whatever you do, try to put the lighter color on the bottom. Gives it a better bait fish look. More natural. Also, tying in this bucktail, make pretty thin. You don't want a ton. Bucktail in general, you don't want a ton of material. Here we go. We tie it in just past the bend of the hook. You don't want to bear down on it too hard. You don't want it to flare like I just did actually. Looser wraps, more gathering wraps. There we go. This hair going down on the bottom on me. Bring it back up. We're going to work it all the way back to the eyes. Pretty solid body. Snip it off. Cool. Finish up on top of those ones you just snipped. And now we are going to tie in a piece of blue wire, blue ultra wire, down the hook shank. And then work our thread back up, keeping a very similar body the entire way. There we go. Now we're going to do our best to wrap this wire in very equal distance wraps. tie it off, helicopter it. There it goes. Alright, now we're going to flip our hook. If you have a rotary vise, it makes this really easy. If you don't, that's okay. Simply just take the hook out of the vise and then put it back in upside down in your vise. But having the hook upside down is very important for these next steps. So now we're going to tie in some black bucktail. This cut up. Still keeping it really thin. Definitely don't want to have too much. We're going to line it up with the tips from the white. You're going to tie it in. You don't want to get too close to the hook eye yet. We're actually work our way back to the dumbbell eyes. And then we're going to snip close to the hook eye. That way we can get a tapered nose. The nose is really important on this fly to get it to look right. Get that snipped off. Yeah, there we go. You guys can really see the tapered nose right there. So now we're just gonna kind of work up a little bit more. Loose wraps. Back down the nose. And we will half hitch off. Cut a thread. And okay, so now we're going to finish off with a Gulff Thinman. Very little. Put it on the nose. Flip it. The same on this side, and then above the eyes as well. Trying this fly because I know a lot of the US just got a ton of rain. Not so sure about in Canada, but US is where I am, so that's what I'm familiar with. We just got a ton of rain, and this fly is really heavy. These lead eyes drop really quickly in the water. Really effective fly in high waters for bass, for trout, just about any species go after. So that's pretty cool. Also, with springtime coming around, once again, like I said last video, we have a lot of fish looking for a big meal right now for winter. Thank you for watching today's segment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking to buy some great outdoor gear, fishing gear, and even fly tying supplies, go visit our store at www.fishingandoutdoors.ca for Canadian shoppers, and then fishingandoutdoors.net if you're in the US or international. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also please click that subscribe button and little reminder bell. That way you don't miss any future episodes. If you have any concerns about this fly, questions about it, direct them to the comments. While I got you here, I'm going to do a quick review of these new scissors I just got from Anadromous Fly Company, one of our sponsors. So I got these ones with a curved tip. As you can see, they're squeeze scissors, really smooth. I got another squeeze scissors. These ones are tungsten carbide with a straight tip. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then finally I got this new 3.5 inch tungsten carbide normal scissors. Tungsten carbide right there. Little fish logo of Anadromous Fly Company. So pretty awesome stuff. Make sure you check them out. I'll see you guys next week. This time Sunday. Have a great day.